work here at the First Colony Branch Library, and today I'm going to teach you some things about Elvis Presley. Did you know that his birthday is on January 8th, and this year he would have been 86 years old? And in celebration of that birthday, we're going to make his favorite sandwich, the peanut butter and banana sandwich. So let me take you onto the kitchen and I'll show you how to do it.
So to make this sandwich, you're going to need a few basic kitchen staples, 2 pieces of bread, a banana, peanut butter, and then some regular butter for the pan. So this is a very simple sandwich to make. You're going to start off by coating both pieces of bread with peanut butter. Here I'm using creamy peanut butter because that's what I had in my cupboard, but feel free to use crunchy or a different type of nut butter. And then once you have both pieces of bread coated, you're going to cut up the banana into small rounds. You can choose however thick you want the rounds to be. And then once you have that cut up, you're going to place them on one of the slices of bread, kind of in a grid pattern. And then once you have your bananas on the bread, you'll put your sandwich together. And that's the hard part of this. Like, the construction is done. Now we just need to cook it. Okay, so once you have your pan on your stovetop and it's warm, you can add your butter to it. And then when your butter melts, you go ahead and add your sandwich to the pan. We're just going to toast both sides of the sandwich like a grilled cheese sandwich. And this does cook very quickly, so make sure you're keeping an eye on it so nothing burns. And then when one side's done, just flip it over to the next. And again, just keep an eye on it so nothing burns. There are some reports that Elvis preferred his sandwich with bacon on it, but they are conflicting reports. Some sources have said that it's just peanut butter and bananas, so we went with peanut butter and banana in this case. All right, so once your sandwich is done, you can cut it and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you visit our YouTube page to see many more videos created by library staff. And if you do end up making this sandwich, stop by the First Colony Branch Facebook page and let us know how it went. All right, thank you.